Hello and welcome to DigiProp Videos. Today, let's talk about Bhopal, the capital city of Madhya Pradesh. Before we begin, new viewers, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So now, let us have a look at 10 amazing places to visit in Bhopal. Number 10. Van Vihar. Van Vihar is a national park and a zoological space that operates under the guidelines of the Central Zoo Authority. You can spot a vast variety of animals including leopards, cheetah, panthers, etc. as well as birds such as kingfishers, bulbuls and some migratory species. The national park categorizes animals in two categories, that is carnivorous and herbivorous. The land is strictly under protection so as to safeguard its flora and fauna. A visit to Van Vihar National Park becomes more enjoyable when you take the safari ride. Number 9. Sair Sapata. Sair Sapata is a significant entertainment zone inaugurated on 29th of September 2011. It offers enjoyable activities like forest hiking, car dashing, zorbing and so on. Boat rides and tree viewpoints keep tourists engaged. It also has children's play area, musical fountain, toy train and a suspension bridge. Number 8. Sanchi Stupa. Designated a World Heritage Site by UNESCO, the Great Stupa was installed in the 3rd century BC by Emperor Ashoka of the Mauryan dynasty. The stupa sits atop a hill in Sanchi, 46 km from the city of Bhopal. This large hemispherical dome, more than 50 feet high with a diameter of more than 30 meters, was constructed to honor Lord Buddha and houses many important Buddhist relics. It is one of the most important places for Buddhist pilgrimage and pilgrims from around the world visit this place. Number 7. Taj ul Masjid. One of the largest mosques in the country, Taj ul Masjid has a stunning and elegant architecture. The enormous domes, a spectacular hallway and elegant minaret speak volumes about its architecture. However, non-Muslims are not allowed inside the mosque. Number 6. Bharat Bhavan. It is a multi-arts center that has been set up to create an interactive experience through verbal, visual and performing arts. Bharat Bhavan provides space for contemporary expression, thought, quest and innovation and is the favorite haunt of people looking for witnessing exquisite dance and singing performances. It houses an art gallery which is adorned with a number of splendid art pieces, and if the spectacle manages to grasp your attention, you can yourself take a lesson or two at the fine art workshops. An open-air amphitheater, a studio theater and an auditorium here in the premises are the perfect places to witness a live performance or better still perform yourself. History of Indian art forms make an appearance at the Museum of Tribal and Folk Art, libraries of Indian poetry, classical music as well as folk music. Number 5. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya, the National Museum of Anthropology, is majestically situated on the Shamla Hills, the upper lakefront of Bhopal. The museum presents the integrated story of the culture and evolution of mankind. The highlight of this museum is the fact that it's the only one to have painted rock shelters with its post-colonial repertoire of the tribal folk, art and culture. Besides, as a perk, the museum houses audio-visual archives, an extensive collection of ethnographic specimens and computerized documentaries. Number 4. Bhimbetka Rock Shelters. Bhimbetka is home to more than 500 rock shelters and caves which have a large number of paintings. It was declared a World Heritage Site in 2003. The oldest paintings are considered to be 30,000 years old, but some of the geometric figures date to as recently as the medieval period. It is a great place to visit for people of almost all age groups. Number 3. Tribal Museum. Tribal Museum is a rich tapestry of exhaustive exhibit showcasing the tribal art and culture. The artistic displays are mesmerizing as it creates awareness about the tribal rituals, customs, forms of worship and so on. It stands out from the rest of the museums in the country because of the way the exhibits are canvassed. Number 2. Bhojeshwar Temple. The Bhojeshwar Temple or the Bhojpur Shiva Temple is located 32 kilometers from the capital city of Bhopal. This huge Shiva temple is located on the hill in the village of Bhojpur. The fame of this Shiva temple is famous due to its architecture and historical background of Shivling established here. Number 1. Upper Lake. Upper Lake is the most significant lake of Bhopal, commonly known as Bhojtal. It's the oldest man-made lake in the country that lies on the west of Bhopal. The locals also call it Bada Talab, serving around 30 million gallons of water. The lake is a primary source of potable water to the residents of the city. The upper lake is separated from the lower lake by an overbridge called Pulpukta. On the eastern side of the lake, the boat club was established, offering some water sports for the visitors such as parasailing, kayaking, rafting, etc. So friends, this was about Bhopal. See you next time with another beautiful city. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Each of your thumbs up tells us to do better, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.